In the first lecture, I will give you general introduction to the Turkish language and I will go over the course overview. First of all, why learn Turkish? If you are in this video and if you are watching me right now, you have your own very valuable reasons to learn Turkish. In general, learning a language gives you the understanding of the culture and the understanding of the people far better than speaking in English or in any other language. Especially in Turkey, many people don't speak English, and speaking Turkish is very important to communicate with people if you plan to live in Turkey or study in Turkey. Even if you are visiting Turkey for a short term, learning the Turkish language and speaking with people in the local language will give you the advantage of understanding the culture and people in a much deeper way. Across Turkey and beyond, millions of people speak Turkish daily. By learning this beautiful language, you open doors to connecting with these people, to listening to their stories, and to expanding your global view. Turkey is a blend of East and West. It has a unique culture, unique history, and it has a very distinct nature. If you are interested in cuisine, culture, history, or natural beauties, you will find all of them in Turkey. Let's talk about the language itself. Turkish has its unique charm from its sounds to its structure. It's a part of the Turkic language family. That's why it's very different from the European languages, from the Arabic language, and also from the Slavic languages. Also, in Turkish, it's very much focused on the suffixes, and to create a new word, you need to add suffixes to the end of each word. And in sometimes, the number of suffixes can reach up to 3, 4, and 5. That's why it's so much fun making new words in Turkish. Also, Turkish has a structure which is first the subject comes, then the object and the verb, which is different than the European languages such as English. For example, in English you say I love you, which is subject, verb and the object. However, in Turkish it is ben seni seviyorum, which means ben is I, which is the subject. The object is seni, which is you, and the verb comes in the end, seviyorum, which means love. Also in Turkish, there is a vowel harmony, which you cannot find in any other languages, which is that when you add a new suffix, you need to choose the vowel that is consistent with the previous vowels in that sentence. And I will explain you in detail in the coming sections. Learning Turkish is not just about words and grammar. It's getting into a new culture. Turkey has a very rich culture, from cuisine to street food to art to Turkish drama series to music. By learning the Turkish culture, you will be much closer to that culture and you will understand that culture from the first source by reading and speaking in Turkish. By learning Turkish, you will find it easier to connect with locals, understand traditions, and appreciate the details of its vibrant culture. Furthermore, Turkey has world-renowned writers, poets, artists, and historical figures. Over the next few lectures, we will embark on a structured journey combining language with culture. Now I'm sharing the structure of this program. The first section is Introduction to Turkish, and in this section we have 3 lectures. We already did the first one, which is Introduction and Course Overview. In the next lectures, we will talk about the alphabet and pronunciation and the basic greetings in Turkish language. In the second section, we will get started with numbers, days of the week and months, and simple questions and responses. In the third section, it's all about personal details and descriptions. The lectures are introducing yourself, describing physical appearance, and describing personality. In the fourth section, you will learn the phrases and vocabulary for daily life and routines. You will learn about daily routines, telling time, and the vocabulary for food and drink. In the fifth section, you are going to learn how to get around in the city. So, you are going to learn places in the city, transportation, and shopping. In the sixth section, I will teach you basic grammar structures such as present simple tense, possessive adjectives and pronouns, and plural forms of verbs. In the seventh section, you will learn about social interactions, such as likes and dislikes, making plans and appointments, and what to say at the cafe or restaurant. In the final section, we will do the review of the course and I will give you cultural insights, such as Turkish songs and music, famous places in Turkey, and we will do the review of this A1 level course. In Turkish we say başlamak bitirmenin yarısıdır, which means starting is half of the finishing. So let's start.